Dear students, welcome to my channel Abida Ma'am Maths. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.4 from question number 5. I have already discussed from question number 1 to 4 in the previous classes. You can check in the playlist if you did not check. Now, number 5, factorize. Here cubic polynomial is given x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. For cubic polynomial or polynomial in higher order, you have to write let px equal to this, and after that you have to put the value of x equal to 1, 2, 3 total infinity or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in this way. When you will get the px value of px equal to 0, then this term is the factor of this. So first put value of x equal to 1 cube, 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. 1 cube means 1, 2 into 1 square means minus 2, minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 1 cancel, you will get 0. When the value of, for the value of x equal to 1, px equal to 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of px. But here power is 3. Power is 3. That means the factors are 3 factors are there. So you got only 1 here, x minus 1. For next 2, you have to divide x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 by x minus 1. After that, write. Now, x minus 1, here, dividend is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now divide this one. You write here also or here also the quotient. So x into x square you will get x cube. So write x square into x, x cube. X square into minus 1 you will get minus x square. Now subtract. I have already discussed in one class how to divide a polynomial. You can check. X cube and x cube cancel. Minus 2x square minus x square. You will get minus 2x square minus x square. That means plus x square. So you will get minus x square. Here minus x plus 2. Keep remaining same this one. Here minus x square but here x. So you have to multiply by minus x into x. You will get minus x square. Minus x into minus 1 you will get plus x. Now subtract this, same symbol, cancel. Here minus x, again minus plus x. So you get minus x. So minus 2x plus 2. So minus 2x here plus x. So multiply by minus 2. Minus 2 into x you will get minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 you will get plus 2. So same thing, you will get 0. Remainder is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 and x square minus x minus 2. This one also a factor of this. Write the notes. After that write, therefore, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. You can write this into this. X minus 1, x square minus x minus 2. Now factorize this again. This is a quadratic polynomial splitting the middle term. X minus 1. Here 1 into 2 you will get 2 and here minus, so 2 minus 1 you will get 1. So you can write x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. In question number 4, I have already discussed how to factorize a quadratic polynomial by splitting middle term. X minus 1, now take common x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1, here x minus 2, x minus 2, again take common x minus 2, you will get x plus 1. So these are the factors. One factor is x minus 1, another is x minus 2, another is x plus 1. Number 2, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. First we have to write let px x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now putting the value of x equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square, 9 into 1 minus 5. 1 cube means 1, minus 3 into 1 square, that means minus 3. 9 into 1 minus 9 minus 5. So you'll get 1, and these are all on negative terms. So here 1 minus 12 and 5 minus 17. So minus 16 is not equal to 0. This one not equal to 0. Now check by minus 1. Minus 1. Here minus 1 cube. 3 into minus 1 square. Minus 9 into minus 1. Minus 5. So you'll get minus 1. Minus 1 square means plus 1. So you'll get minus 3. Minus and minus you'll get plus 9. Minus 5. So minus 1. Minus 3. You'll get minus 4 and 5, that means minus 9, you'll get plus 9, you'll get 0. So for x equal to minus 1, you'll get 0. So x plus 1 is a factor of px, right? After that, right? Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of px. Write the notes. Now divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 by x plus 1. So first write x square into x, you will get x cube. X square into plus 1, you will get plus x square. Now subtract this one same, minus, if you take minus then 0. Minus 3x square minus x square, you will get minus 4x square. Minus 9x minus 5. Minus 4x square here. So multiply by minus 4x. Minus 4x into 4x. Minus 4x square. Minus 4x into 1. You will get minus 4x. Now subtract same thing. Minus 0. Minus 9x minus 4x. So you will get minus 5x minus 5. That means minus 9x minus 4x. So you will get minus 9x plus 4x. So this one minus 5x. Here minus 5x here plus x. So multiply by minus 5. Minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 1. So you will get minus 5. Same thing, you will get 0. Remainder is 0. So therefore you can write, after that you will write, therefore x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 equal to x plus 1 x square minus 4x minus 5. So again factorize this quadratic polynomial. X plus 1 x square, here 5 into 1 you will get 5. Here negative symbol. So 5 minus 1 you will get 4. So minus 5x plus x minus 5. Now take common. Here x common. X minus 5 plus 1 common. X minus 5. So you can write x plus 1, x minus 5 into x plus 1. These are the factors of this polynomial. So I think all of you understood how to factorize a quadratic or cubic polynomial or polynomial of higher order. So I have discussed question number 1 and 2, 5, 1 and 2. So later is your homework. You can try at home and you can write the answer in the comment. Number 6, if x minus is a common factor of x square plus px plus qr, x square plus mx plus n, then show that a equal to this. Factor, common factor, that means x minus a is a factor of both x square plus px plus q and x square plus mx plus n. So write the solution. Let write this one, say capital Px, x square plus px plus q, and capital Qx, write to polynomials this one, x square plus mx plus n. Since x minus is a factor, therefore p of a equal to 0. Since x minus a is a common factor of px and qx. Therefore, PA equal to QA equal to 0. QA equal to 0. So no need to write 0. Just write PA equal to QA. Now putting the value of x equal to A square plus PA plus Q equal to A square plus MA plus N. So A square cancel. You have to find the value of A. So PA change the side, MA equal to N minus Q. Or if you take common A, you will get P minus M, N minus Q. Or A equal to N minus Q by P minus M. But in your book, this one given x plus A. So correct this one, not this one x plus A, this one x minus A. So I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.